Welcome to Hyatt Vivid Playa del Carmen, a modern, adults-only, all-inclusive with a boutique feel located right in the heart of Playa del Carmen. Hi, I'm Asai, a travel agent specializing in luxury and all-inclusive vacations. And in today's video, I'm bringing you a junior suite garden view. All of their rooms were renovated about 5 years ago. However, 5 years later, they still look absolutely beautiful with all of these warm touches and colorful accents. The room features a bright open layout with plenty of natural light, perfect for that beachy, relaxed vibe. This is a king-size room. However, if you choose a double occupancy room, you will have 2 queen-size beds. You'll notice the neutral tones and soft wood accents throughout, making it feel airy and upscale without being over the top. And of course, the balcony is the perfect spot to start your morning coffee or unwind with a drink at sunset. And don't miss the hammock hanging on the wall for extra relaxation. I love how the bathroom feels like a mini spa, bright, modern, and stocked with upgraded amenities. With the changeover from Hilton, they're also in the process of upgrading some in-room amenities, and soon every room will also include a Nespresso machine, which is such a nice touch for coffee lovers. And don't miss, of course, the secret box, which is where you can have your room service delivered and taken care of. So that's a quick look at the rooms here at Hyatt Vivid Playa del Carmen. Fresh, modern, and only getting better. Check out my full resort tour next, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.